Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you a really simple but beautiful DIY using these Dollar Tree faux marble wall plaques. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 6 of the wall plaques, 1 of the 8x10 mirrored frames. I used some craft sticks, 2 packages of the Dollar Tree Gemstone stickers, my E6000, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the hanging hooks and the stickers from all 6 wall plaques. Here I'm considering several design options, but once I was happy with my placement, I used E6000 to attach all 6 of the plaques together. I used masking tape to help hold the plaques in place, and then I allowed this to dry for about 4 hours. I then carefully flipped my design over, removed the 8x10 mirror from its frame, and I added it to the center of my design. Next, I added craft sticks to the back of my design as well. I also added additional hot glue around the edges of the mirror. I didn't want to leave the back of my mirror exposed, so I used E6000 and hot glue to attach the cardboard that came with my mirrored frame to my design. I'll be using Velcro command strips to hang my design, but I did test the hanging hook on the back to see if it was strong enough to hold the design on the wall. I don't think that the hook was strong enough, so if you are going to use a nail, I would recommend you screw back in the hooks that came with the wall plaques. And just for some added security, I added some additional E6000 around the edges of the mirror just to ensure that it was properly attached to the wall plaques. While my glue dried, I removed the tape from my design and then I began decorating it with my gemstone stickers. To remove the hot glue strings, I used my crafter's toothbrush and I also ran a warm hair dryer across my design as well. To complete the project, I cleaned my glass and here was my finished look. I really like how this project turned out. The faux marble and gold foil lettering looks beautiful. And the inspirational quotes on this piece are definitely an added plus. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Did you know I've started a second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, up close and personal? If not, I'll leave a link to my second vlog channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.